Hi everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to find the largest element or number that is present in an array in Java. So let's get started. So currently I'm having here a sample array. It has like 5 elements in it and I'm having here the standard main function in Java. So first let me explain you how we will be finding the largest element in an array. So first thing, we will be having a variable called as max, and we will initialize this particular variable max to ARR, which is our array of 0. Okay, we will just initialize this particular max variable with the 0th element of our array. And in some cases, some people will also be assigning max variable to int min, but this is also absolutely fine. This is the first step. We will be having a max variable, and next thing is we will be using a for loop to iterate each and every element present in the array. So for that we will be using something called as for int I equal to 0, I less than length, and array of I, something like that. So we'll be having a for loop, and inside the for loop we'll be having a if condition, and in this if condition we will have if any of the array element is greater than our max variable, which we earlier initialized to array index of 0. So array of I greater than max, what we will do is we will just assign that particular array of index I, which is greater than max, to that max variable itself. So it's going to be max equal to AR of I if this condition is satisfied, which means that basically if any element that we find in our array is greater than max, which means that that element is greater than our maximum variable, right? So we need to assign that to our maximum variable itself. So let's suppose that I'm having 10. So initially our max variable is 10 and we are iterating, and at first max I is going to be 0. So 10 greater than 10 condition is false. Next I becomes 1. The element that is present in index number 1 is 22. So it will come here. So it's going to be like 22 greater than max, which is 10. So this condition is true, right? So what happens here is that max will be now 22 and not 10. So this is how this works. Yeah, so these are the 3 steps basically that we'll be performing in this program. A simple one. Okay, so let me have the max variable at first. Max equal to AR of 0. Next one is going to be a for loop int I equal to 0, I less than array name dot length, should come here, array name dot length and I plus plus. And inside the for loop, as I told you, we will be having a if condition. If array of I is greater than max, we will be just assigning that particular array element to the max variable, and at the end come outside of the for loop and just have a print statement, and I'll just print max. That's it. So I'm saving it now. So if I just now compile it first, so we're going to get the output as 50 because that's the maximum element over here. So here you can see that I'm getting 50 now. So this code works perfectly fine. So the more and more we find maximum elements greater than our max variable, the condition becomes true and we are just assigning that element to max. So yeah, simple program, this one. So at first it becomes 10. Our max is 10. If you want me to explain, max is 10 and it comes inside this loop. AR of I value is 0. So it's going to be ARR of 0, which is going to be 10. So 10 greater than 10 condition is false. Nothing happens. This max assigning doesn't happen. So I value gets incremented. I becomes 1. So I value is now 1. So ARR, which is array of 1, is going to be 22. So it's going to be 22 greater than 10, and this condition becomes true. So what happens here is that our max variable will be equal to 22, which is array of index 1. And next I value gets incremented, becomes 2, it becomes 31. So it comes here 31, array of 2 greater than max, max is 22. So you should like take this value and not the initial value. So this condition is also true. So max becomes 31, then I value becomes 3. Nothing happens for 4 because 4 is less than 31. So this condition is false. It doesn't go inside the if condition, and after that I value becomes 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last condition. Okay, so array.length will give 5, so it goes only till 4. So it's 50, so we will check 50 less than 31, which is true. 50 and I plus plus, it will become 5, but the condition is false, so it doesn't go after that, and we'll be just getting 50 printed in the output. So that's it for this video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done many tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL, Spring Boot, and many other tutorials. So check the video list and subscribe me. Thanks for watching.